Question 16 is 2 marks. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So the question says use algebra to show that the recurring decimals 0.612 repeating the 1 and 2 is equal to 101 divided by 165. The first thing I'll do, I'll write x equals the number 0.6 and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 repeating forever. What I'll do now is I'll just multiply by 10. So 10x will equal to, multiplying by 10 will make this 6 to jump here. So it's going to be 6.1212 forever. Now compare the decimal sides. Is this decimal part equals to this decimal part? Are they the same? No. So keep multiplying by 10. Don't multiply by 100. Small, step by step. So then 100x. If we multiply by 10, it will be 100x. Now this one will jump here. So it's going to be 621.2121 repeating. Stop and compare. Are these alike? Are these alike? Are these alike? They are not. They don't look alike. So multiply again by 10. It's going to be 1000x equals. Again, this will jump here. So it will be 612.1212 forever. Now compare. Obviously, these two looks alike. They both has 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 in the decimal part. Then we'll just do this minus that. So what's 1000x minus 10x? 990x equals 612 minus 6 is just 606, and then the decimal part will cancel. This and this are the same, so they will cancel if you subtract them, right? Then what do? We divide by 990, divide by 990. This will cancel, so you'll have x equal 606 divided by 990, divide by 2, it will give you 303, divide by, or why do we divide? Once you get to this step, you can just write which equals to this, and that's your answer. 101 divided by 165. You can do that. You don't need to do it step by step, all of it. Once you get to here, just write equals that, and that's your 2 marks. Now let's look at this question here. Proof. This is where everyone is stuck.